Alright, so this is going to be a temporary way to fix your crashing issue on 5M. I noticed it does work for a few people. So go ahead and navigate to your 5M. When you go to your 5M, you're looking for your application data. Go ahead and delete the cache folder and your crashes folder. Go ahead and delete those two. Okay, and then once you delete those, go ahead and launch 5M. And then it's going to update all your cache files back. It's going to clean up all your crashes and everything else. Once this is done, you should have no problem getting into the server. You should have no problem playing 5M in general. The whole reason why you might have to clear your caches is other servers using different files and another. It's a 5M thing that I've noticed for a while. So while we wait for this real quick, go ahead and show you guys that I can get back into the 5M once this is up. Now also a quick note why this is doing this. This will depend on your internet speed. It will also depend on how fast your computer is able to process everything. So just keep that in mind. Okay, now if this message comes up, it will say that the cache is outdated. It says that it needs to update the cache. If you click no, it will not let you play a 5M. It will re-update itself, and this message will come back up. So go ahead and just press yes. Just giving the application authorization to go ahead and download the information that it needs from the internet. Now here's, like I said before, how fast your system and your internet wants to, kick up and how fast it wants to download. This could take, this process altogether takes about maybe 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes, depending on your PC. For example, we're almost at 4 minutes already, and this is literally the last step that you need to do. So, we'll wait for this to be done real quick. Now, no, when you when you redo the cache and your crashes folder, it should not take out anything client side. Should not do anything to your siren. Shouldn't do anything to your Lambda menu, simple menu, your simple trainer menu, whatever the case is. It should not remove anything but the cache files that it stores. So we'll go ahead and give it a minute. This should be the last step right here. Nope, I was wrong. Okay, so that should have been the last thing. Don't click 5M, it's automatically going to launch it open for you. Just give it a second and, you're on a fresh copy of 5M now, as the computer thinks you are. So now we're in 5M. All the servers load up. We'll load into my server. So now this is all going to re-download again, as all these files were in your guys' cache files. If you guys are doing a lot of server hopping, you might want to kind of clean out that whole thing once in a while. So we're connecting real quick, make sure we can connect, turn around. Sometimes clearing out your cache file and your crashes file may sometimes get you in a server faster than usual, and other times it may take a little bit longer depending on what kind of files they have, and pretty much based on your PC. If you have a top of line PC, it probably wouldn't be as long as me. Now, sometimes it will make you relog, so in this case, it's looking like it's probably going to make me relog into 5M. We'll give it another couple, say about another 10 seconds. So that in by the next 10 seconds, we'll force close it and relaunch it. Okay, so we'll go ahead and Alt for it. Okay, we'll just control. I do have a bunch of other crap going on too, so maybe a couple of my issues going on. So let's relaunch 5M again.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? When you were 8 and you had bad traits, you go What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? You chuck it on that one, you chuck it on this one, you chuck it on your mother and you chuck it on your father, you chuck it on your brother and you chuck it on your sister, you chuck it on that one and you chuck it on me. Bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna do?
Okay, so now you can see I am finally in. My textures are going to be popping in and out as I am recording on a low-end PC, but you can go ahead and spawn in any car. We can also no-clip all over the place. And that's pretty much it. I mean, I was crashing constantly, and after a while I went ahead and I just cleaned out that, and I don't crash as often. Hopefully this helps you and you don't crash as much. Delete this real quick. Alright, and that's it.